Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make posts from certain people appear higher in your Instagram feed. Alright guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and after you have your Instagram application opened, you can go to your profile. So you can tap on this profile button, then you can tap on the three lines button on your profile right here. Tap on the three lines button, and then after that you can tap on the favorites right here. Okay, and to make posts from certain people appear higher on your Instagram feed, you have to add account to your favorites list. And for example, I'm going to add this account and this one and also this one. And after you are done adding the account, you can go back and the favorite list will be automatically saved. Okay, and once you add some accounts to your favorite list, those accounts will be the priority in your feed, so the posts from those accounts will appear higher in your Instagram feed. Alright guys, and that's how we can make posts from certain people appear higher in our Instagram feed. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.